All right, so we are going to put together this trash can. So the first step is every one of the 4 panels, you have to put on these like this plastic piece, and it's just push pins. So you just put a push pin in, comes with a bunch of them in this bag. So that's actually very simple. Then what you do is you take this AG, which is this side right here, okay? And we're gonna lay it down and pay attention to this piece down here. See this little lip here? And this is gonna go like so. So we'll clip this in. There we go. Go into their slots. Then we got another one. Again, looking at the lip, making sure that lip is the same one as down there. Line it up, put it in. Okay, directions. Next step is to put the top on. So we're just basically making a big square. Again, paying attention to this lip. We'll put them on like so. Go. Then I'm assuming at this point we're going to put the bottom on. So the bottom looks to be like this. And let's see. Can this go either way? Then this goes on like this. Like so. Oh, nope. See, okay. Did that wrong. Okay, so there's definitely a way to do this. So don't do what I just did. I'll show you what I did wrong. So to take it apart, you need a butter knife, and you get inside there's a little clip. And I'm just gonna push that clip in. Like that. And it should come off. What do we do here?
It's still attached over here. Do this. Don't make this mistake. I can't tell where it's attached. Oh, it's attached. It's attached inside too. It's good that it's sturdy.
Yeah, it's definitely sturdy. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Whew. All right. So that got apart. I think I actually kind of snapped a couple of those, but all right. So then what we got to do is we got to look at this and line up these with the holes. So the slot like this fits there. These all fit here. And these all fit here. So you got to basically make sure that they're going to fit in the groove. Then you push it down. That's a lot better. All right, flip this over. This is actually for the bottom to clean out the bottom. And then we got to put the top on. Whew. So this is the top. I'm gonna do this one right. Okay. Hinges back here, and this goes on like so. So just clip this on. There we go. So that is the trash can. Go, clips closed. It's real nice. To open it, you kind of just grab it and pull it out. Clean the bottom out. You have this bottom tray here, which is really nice. And pretty big trash can, actually. Don't make that mistake. Don't push anything on until you know exactly that it fits into the grooves. It can only go on one way, which is really nice. And there you go. So you got handles on the side, so you can pick this thing up if you want. That there, bada bing, bada bing. You need to take out the trash, bada bang. So really nice. There you go. If you need to get a part, use a butter knife. I'm out.